Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to check if your iPhone is blacklisted. This process is essential if you're buying a second-hand iPhone or just want to ensure your current device is in the clear. Let's get started. First, we need to find the IMEI number of your iPhone. This unique identifier will help us check if the device is blacklisted. There are a few ways to find your IMEI number. Open the phone app on your iPhone, enter the code asterisk number or 6 number and tap the dial button. Your IMEI number will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to note it down. Alternatively, you can find the IMEI number in the Settings app. Go to Settings, General, About, scroll down until you see the IMEI number listed there. If you have the original packaging or SIM tray, you can also find the IMEI number printed there. This is useful if you prefer not to use the phone's interface. Now that you have your IMEI number, the next step is to use an online IMEI checker. There are several reliable websites that offer this service, such as IMEI.info or checkiphone.blacklist.com. Open your web browser and navigate to one of these websites. Once you're on the website, locate the IMEI checker field, enter your IMEI number into the designated box, and click the check button. The website will process the information and display the results. If the website indicates that your iPhone is blacklisted, don't panic. There are steps you can take to resolve this issue. The most common reasons for blacklisting are unpaid bills, lost or stolen status, or carrier restrictions. If your iPhone is blacklisted, the next step is to contact your carrier. If you bought the phone secondhand, reach out to the previous owner to see if they can help resolve the issue. If the phone is tied to unpaid bills, you'll need to settle those debts. If it's reported lost or stolen and you're the legitimate owner, your carrier can assist in removing it from the blacklist. That's it. You've now learned how to check if your iPhone is blacklisted. Remember, always purchase iPhones from reputable sources and keep your bills paid on time to avoid any issues.